We'll guide you through how to enable Dropbox two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Security tab. Here, you need to scroll down until you find the two-step verification section. You'll see that it's currently turned off, so go ahead and click the Enable button next to it. A pop-up will appear, guiding you through the setup process. First, you'll need to enter your password again to confirm your identity. Once that's done, you'll have two options: receive a text message or use a mobile authenticator app. For text messages, select Use Text Messages and enter your phone number. Dropbox will send you a verification code to that number. Enter the code in the space provided to verify your phone number. If you prefer using an authenticator app, select Use a mobile app and follow the instructions to scan the QR code with your app. This will link your Dropbox account with the authenticator app, providing you with a unique code to enter. Once you've entered the code, your two-step verification will be active, and you'll see a confirmation message. Remember, you'll need to enter this code every time you log in from a new device, so keep your phone or authenticator app handy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.